Hi, boss. Be honest. Is wealth luck, or did I just miss my turn?
Hi, Shimt. If wealth were luck, casinos would be the best universities. All right, then. Tell me what to actually do, not philosophy.
Perfect. Here's a simple rule most people completely ignore. I'm listening, but if this is another leave your comfort zone thing, I'm out.
Relax. It's simpler. Build one asset first, then worry about everything else.
Asset like stocks, crypto, scary stuff like that?
An asset is anything that brings money without your constant presence.
Yeah. So what is a salary then?
A salary is a crutch, not a strategy.
Right.
And one asset can really change something.
One asset changes how you think, and thinking changes everything else.
Where do I even start if I'm not rich?
With what you already have: skills, evenings, and the internet.
So don't try everything at once.
Exactly.
Poor people chase everything. Wealthy people finish one thing. And this really works.
It works so well that most people never even start.
Wealth isn't luck. It's a habit of building assets.